Israel has decided on how to react to Iran's attack. What is going to happen? The recent attack by Iran on Israel was significant, possibly marking the largest simultaneous missile and drone assault on such a confined area in recent history. Israel's air defense system averted numerous casualties. Iran sought to strike a delicate balance between delivering a powerful message and avoiding triggering an all-out war. While Iran likely aimed for the escalation to halt at that point, Israel is expected to respond, and a diplomatic answer will not be enough for them. Israel faces a myriad of options for its response, each carrying significant risks. Striking the right balance between sending a deterrent message, meeting the population's desire for retaliation, and avoiding direct conflict will be a formidable challenge. A restrained response may involve targeting Iran's proxies outside of Iran, potentially serving to halt further escalations. However, this approach may not sufficiently deter Iran and would likely fail to satisfy Israel's population. A more robust, yet still constrained response could entail a strike on Iran's territory, avoiding nuclear facilities, critical infrastructure, and significant casualties. There is a slight possibility that this action may not lead to further escalation. The rigorous response would encompass multiple strikes on Iran's nuclear facilities and/or critical infrastructure. This plan would be the most intricate and costly to execute, as well as the most perilous. The first two options have a small chance of halting the escalation, but certainty eludes us. The third option is likely to precipitate a major conflict. The coming days promise to be exceedingly compelling, and this round of escalation will significantly impact the Israel-Iran relationship for the next few years. And let's see the Ukrainian battlefield. A Russian tank and BMP destroyed by units of the 71st Jaeger Brigade. This is a political trap being laid by the Speaker Johnson. He wants military aid passed for Israel and not for Ukraine. First, the House will pass separate bills. Then these new bills have to go back to the Senate to be voted on again. Senate Republicans will then pass the House version of aid to Israel, but then filibuster the standalone Ukraine aid bill. If Ukraine aid can't get 60 votes to end debate in the Senate, then it is dead.
Just had a policy conference with all the House Republicans. We laid out the plan on how to finally address the supplemental situation. There are precipitating events around the globe that we're all watching very carefully, and we know that the world is watching us to see how we react. We have terrorists and tyrants and terrible leaders around the world like Putin and Xi. And
Resignation instead of inauguration. A Russian woman is demanding the resignation of Putin and Russian governors for their inactivity during floods. She thinks it's deliberate sabotage.
Слушайте, по какой причине у нас все молчат? Все центральные СМИ молчит, президент молчит, Песков молчит. Все как-то ушли в аут. У нас всю, можно сказать, центральную Россию топит, и все молчат. Причем, по всей вероятности, это вообще диверсия. По всей вероятности, все это сделано специально для того, чтобы был голод. Затопило просто поселки, села, деревни, снесло напрочь. Люди лишились всего. А президент сидит и молчит. Я считаю, никакой инаугурации, только отставка. В отставку Путина и в отставку всех губернаторов, всех мэров, глав этих поселений. Ты посмотри, как все топит. Если народ молчит, я не знаю, это шизофренизация реально населения. Почему народ молчит и не хочет себя же защитить? Требовать для себя спасения.
Recently, it became known that the mayor's son in flooded Russian Orsk is now living in Dubai. The mayor replied that his son's life was not easy there as it's very hot in Dubai.
Я горжусь, что мои дети всего добиваются сами. Мой сын закончил высшее учебное заведение с отличием. По специальности инженер-геолог. Около 10 лет работал на Сахалине в тяжелейших условиях. А сейчас с семьей уехал на работу, куда его пригласили, в Саудовскую Аравию. Там, кстати, тоже не мед, там очень жарко и очень сложный климат. Он сейчас там работает. Я горжусь тем, что мои дети всего добиваются сами. И я этого, кстати, ни от кого не скрывал. А моя жена всегда со мной и вместе со мной переживает эти трудные времена.
At the end, dissatisfied with the landing airport, some Nigerian passengers tried to invade the cockpit of the aircraft to speak with the pilots, however. A company security guard pulled a gun and pointed it at the passengers as a measure to prevent anyone from entering the cockpit.
Don't worry, Muhammad. Okay? Relax, okay.
Airbus showed footage of the first A400M transport for the Kazakhstan Air Force during painting work. The total order was 2 units. The contract for the supply of Airbus A400M includes a package of services for personnel training and technical support. Delivery of the first aircraft is scheduled for the end of 2024. Kazakhstan will become the 9th operator of this type of aircraft in the world, along with Germany, France, Great Britain, Spain, Turkey, Belgium, Malaysia, and Luxembourg.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.